The objective of this video is to get your application profiling started with Allinea MAP. First, connect to your cluster and go to your work directory. In this directory, please compile your application for profiling. Ensure that your application is compiled with debugging symbols. Usually, the associated compiler option is -G. Otherwise, keep all the compiler optimization flags you normally use. Once your application is correctly built for profiling, edit the script or job submission script you use to execute the application on your system. Make sure that the path to Allinea MAP is correctly set in this script. This is typically done using the environment modules made available on the cluster or by setting the path environment variable to the appropriate values. If your application uses an MPI library, find the line which contains the MPI run command followed by a few arguments and your executable name. If your application is serial or multi-threaded, for instance using OpenMP, find the line which contains the executable name. Regardless of the type of application, just prefix this command line with map ---- profile. The next time the script is executed, Allinea MAP will analyze your application in the background and will generate its performance profile. The file containing the profile ends with .map and is created at the end of your run. Once it is available, open the resulting .map file with Allinea MAP in order to view the results. Start optimizing your application and get rid of possible bottlenecks.